Hello, dear students. Today we are going to learn how to add numbers on a number line, and we are talking about integers. And we would be observing an interesting property of addition of integers, and it says closure property. That is, integers are closed under addition. We will learn the meaning of this when we perform the addition. Before we start, we need to remember two important results. Number one, when we add a positive integer, then we move to the right. And when we add a negative integer, we move to the left. So let us begin solving the questions. So the first question which we are taking today is when we add two positive integers. Say for example, we have to add 3 and 4. So first is we begin with 3. So here I am going to put a dot at 3, and then we need to add plus 4. So we are going to use the first rule that when we add a positive integer, we move to the right. And now we will be moving from 3, 4 steps to the right. So we go 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is the place. So 7 is the answer. So we get 3 plus 4 equals 7. Let us take one more example. Now we are going to take a negative integer, add it to a positive one. So minus 3 plus 4. So we will begin with minus 3. So here you see this is minus 3 on the number line. And in minus 3, we need to add plus 4. So again, we are going to apply the first rule that add a positive integer, we move to the right. So how many steps we need to move now? 4 steps to the right of minus 3. So 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So answer to the question is minus 3 plus 4 equals 1. Okay, now we are going to take two negative integers and we are going to add them. Say for example, minus 3 plus minus 4. Let us see what is the answer. So we begin with minus 3. So this is minus 3 on the number line. And now we need to use rule number 2, that add a negative integer, we move to the left. Minus 4 is a negative integer and we need to move 4 steps on the left of minus 3 to get the answer. So let us do that. 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. So what is the answer? Answer is minus 7. So when you add two negative integers, you add the numeric value and put a negative sign. So 3 plus 4 gives us 7 and put a negative sign, you get the answer. Let us take one more example. Here, minus 3 plus 6. See what happens. So we begin with minus 3. And now you tell me where we have to move. Yes, to the right. How many steps? 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the answer? Answer is 3. So what did we do here? So here we have subtracted the number 3 from 6 and we have put the answer of the sign of positive number, which is the bigger one. Here plus 6 is the bigger integer. And in all the cases we have found that when we add two integers, we always get an integer.